friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Wit. I'm Whitney and today's video is another Dollar Tree haul, so stay tuned. Earlier this week I posted a shop with me video from the Dollar Tree and I thought that it would be better to separate this haul from that shop with me portion just because there's so many cool new things out at the Dollar Tree and I didn't want to have like a marathon video because Lord knows who has 20 minutes to watch a video. I say that I don't, but Lord knows I've sat there and watched 20-minute YouTube videos all the time. But nonetheless, I'm trying to get you in quickly, in and out. First up, I'm going to start with some of the fun summer stuff because they have so many cute things. Their line, I'm not super into the tropical stuff, but I do love flamingos, and the line that they have out this year is so stinking cute. I'm going to start with these flamingo bottles. I was so excited to see these. I shared this on my Instagram and you guys loved it. So this is just a little mason jar with, it's plastic with some flamingos on it. And then this says stand tall and stand out, and it's a little like bottle. So I thought these would be great for water, also for an adult beverage in the summertime. So at a dollar you can't beat these, especially if you take it on vacation and heaven forbid it falls in the water or whatnot, if you're only out $1. So these are great quality. These would also be adorable if you have a flamingo themed bachelorette party coming up. These are definitely a winner for summer. Continuing with the flamingo theme, I grabbed one of these hand towels. It says stand tall and stand out with the flamingo. I thought this was so cute. Now Dollar Tree towels, if you feel them, if you've bought them before, they are a little bit thinner, but what I like to do is a lot of my higher end, more expensive like hand towels I use year round, and they're a little bit more expensive, so I've gotten them at a Target, or sometimes some of them have come straight from our registry when we got married. But these are so great for $1 to be able to supplement what you currently have. Just throw this over the top of like a regular gray or something and it just really makes it summery. I also grabbed a flamingo tablecloth. Now I use these when I paint and do crafts, so a lot of times I don't really put this out for regular like food tablecloth, but I do like this for painting. Granted, if you're doing a lot of painting you can just grab the drop cloths, but this is really easy when I'm doing quick like chalk paint on things to put on my table. And I really like that it's fun because then when I shoot videos for you guys I don't have to keep using my Christmas ones that I have. This isn't decor, but it was also in that section. I grabbed some little ice cube trays, and what I like about these is the bottom is silicone, so you can push out the ice cubes. We don't have an ice cube maker in our fridge, and so we make a lot of ice, and so these are little circular ones, and then this is a longer skinny one. So a lot of times I use those like knockoff Yetis that you can get at Walmart. I think they're called Arctic. But if you've got bottles and stuff, these smaller ones are easier to fit in there, or that smaller bottle I had before. So you can grab these, and the little silicone is supposed to make it easier to come out. I've never used this before, so I can't tell if it works or not, but I am hopeful. I grabbed another little yard flag. Got a bike with kind of, it looks like some purple hydrangeas in the basket, some tulips over here. Now these come with a hanger like this, so you could use it as like wall decor, but I just go ahead and take this off and string it on my little, it kind of looks like a shepherd's hook, but it's for your outdoor signs. These are definitely not super duper sturdy, but these are nice if you've got people coming over and you need just a little pop of color or a little welcome sign out front. Up next, we're going to call this the random category. So Dollar Tree has been continually every season stepping up their game with cards. So I've got not a ton of high school or college graduations, but 8th grade graduations coming up this year, so I grabbed 2 different cards for that reason. This one's just really cute. It's got black, gold, and silver balloons. I like this because it's very gender neutral for those colors, and on the inside it says let your dreams soar, congratulations. I like that it's long and skinny because you could easily fit money in there as a gift. And then this one I loved, it was so cute. Now the pink purplish background is probably not going to be for a boy, but they've got cute little cupcakes with the cap, and then 2019 that opens up. You guys want to hear how ridiculous this is? So I go to open it and the writing's up here. Dollar Tree, what? You could probably go exchange it, so I might go do that because that's just quite unfortunate. I finally was able to find those little clip frames where you can clip in a 4x6. This one says forever and always. This is really cute. They've got a few different other versions there, and this is pretty good quality for the price. It looks like kind of that faux wood, but it's a plastic. This guy I found in the Mother's Day section, and I grabbed this for me because usually in the summer between the heat and going all the time, I usually get a lot of headaches. I get headaches year round, but I feel like usually spring to summer are the worst. So this eye mask, it says it reduces puffiness, but what you can do is you can put it in the refrigerator or you can put it in the freezer, and it says no more than 10 minutes, but this is amazing if you've got a headache and you just put it on. You guys, I am throwing it back, but I've been obsessed for the past probably year with scrunchies since they started coming back. They do wonders to my hair. They don't give me weird dents. I don't feel like it's pulling my hair out of my head when I sleep. I don't have a headache. So I grabbed 3 of these. They say they're elastics, but one is like a floral and then a teal and then just a fun blue. Like this gives me 80s vibes, but I love the 80s, so I'm not even sad about it. I know I hauled socks last time, but I grabbed some more socks. The ones that I'm so jacked about are these 4th of July ones. They say grillin' and chillin' with a hamburger on it. They're so cute. These were not in the sock section at my store. These were in the 4th of July section. So if you're looking for these, check there. They had a lot of different other options. I also grabbed this 2-pack, which was purple sloths. Well, purple socks with sloths, and then the back has just some fun little strips. And then I also grabbed some navy blue with tacos and then some stripes. Piggybacking off of the 4th of July socks, I grabbed a couple things from the 4th of July section. I guess it's really patriotic because you can use it for Memorial Day, but I grabbed 4 of these guys that say Liberty da da with the glitter on the front. Now this is going to be for an upcoming DIY, so stay tuned for that. And then also I grabbed a few of these hangers. This is so cute for your front door as it is. Like, good job, Dollar Tree. It has that glitter, but you can always seal it with the hairspray. But I grabbed a couple extra of these for a DIY as well, so stay tuned. I also grabbed one of these patriotic bows. It's got these weird like ornament hanging down things. I'm definitely going to cut those off, but these are great for $1 to just add to any wreath that you have on the front door, or if you've got one of those stand-up porch signs, I'm probably going to just add this to the top like I did with the wreath and the buffalo check ribbon, or the red one, for Christmas. But these are great, and these things go really fast. These bows do, especially because so many people do like multiple on the front of their house, or like 4th of July, put them around the pool, whatever. So if you're interested in these, they had a few different kinds. Grab them now. Grab some stuff from the office supply section. One were these super adorable scissors. They've got little polka dots on the handle. And then I also grabbed this floral notepad for my desk. I'm always jotting stuff down between post-its and whatever, but this is nice to have kind of a running tally. But on the back, there's some magnets. Oh, the one fell. I can hot glue it back on. I also found these super cute folders that have cacti and little succulents on them. I mentioned last time that I like to have folders at work so then I can section off my different papers between contracts and papers I get from conferences, all that stuff. Even though we're trying to be very digital and sustainable and all that fun stuff, you do still have a lot of paper. And then finally, I grabbed 2 packages of these 4x6 canvases. I've seen these for forever, but I have an idea that if it works out, it'll be a really cute DIY. So stay tuned for these. But I grabbed 2 of them, which in total give you 6 of the little canvases. That's gonna do it for today's Dollar Tree haul. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what your favorite item was. I love reading your guys' comments and learning your different ideas for how things can be used, and also what you're on the hunt for. So I love to see that down below. Also, I've been thinking about doing a Q&A video for a while now, so if you are interested in asking a question for that video, leave a comment down below with your question, or you can head over to my Instagram and send it to me there. But I've gotten a lot of random questions about Whiskey and Wit, and also me, and just the channel, and how everything got started, and how to YouTube, and all the things. And so I would love to just sit down and have a chatty video with you to kind of share all of that. So let me know if you've got questions. I would love to answer them in an upcoming video. Thanks again so much for watching. Hit subscribe down below so you don't miss those upcoming DIYs and other future Whiskey and Wit videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Also an adult beverage in the summertime.